Hmm. Okay, students. The next part is in which we will study about this topic: pitch, subjective nature of pitch and objective nature of frequency, quality, recognition of two sources of sound by their quality, music and noise. Now, first of all, this is the second characteristic of sound, that is pitch, on the basis of which we distinguish two different sound. Now, pitch is directly dependent on frequency. It is not frequency, but not same as frequency, but it is dependent on frequency. On the basis of pitch, what happens, we distinguish between a flat sound and shrill sound. Flat sound, and the second one is shrill. Now if we compare the voice of two, uh, a boy and a girl, then you will find out the pitch of the girl is higher than the boy. There is shrillness in the voice of girl, clear, whereas if we compare, then the sound of boys are flat as compared to this. Now here, on the basis of this, we have an example. On the basis of waveform, we will distinguish which two types of low pitch sound and a high pitch sound. Now for this, the waveform is all that with the help of a device, that is CRO, is placed, that tuning fork of two different frequencies. If we take a tuning fork of different frequency, one is of 256 hertz and next is of 512 hertz. As we have studied that pitch is dependent on the frequency, this is lower frequency, and this is higher frequency. Then on the basis of waveform, now a complete wave is like this. Here this is displacement, and here it is time. Clear? Now this part denotes amplitude. For the same part, if we draw, this is the complete wave. For the same part, if we draw the waveform of this one, then what happens? Now you will see the number of waves in this is higher. Clear? This is also displacement, and this is time. The wave formed here, one complete wave is up to here. In this you can see a complete wave is here and a half more wave is there. So this is high pitch note. What it is? High pitch note. This is low pitch note. So you can see here the pitch is directly dependent on the frequency, and frequency is what? Frequency is the number of oscillations taken in a particular time period. In this time period here, this sound has taken one oscillation, and this taking 1.5 oscillation, so this has the higher pitch. There are a lot more examples of not only tuning fork, we have the examples of piano, violin, guitar. The frequency of vibration depends on the thickness, tension and thickness of the string, with the help of which we can produce a sound of different uh, frequency. Clear? And I have given the example of boy and girl. Clear? Now the next topic is subjective nature of the pitch and objective nature of the frequency. Now see, subjective nature and objective nature, which we have previously in the previous video we have discussed. See, subjective nature, and if we talk about objective nature, if the something is measurable or something depends on the sensation. Suppose pitch is not same as frequency, but it depends on the sensation perceived by the listener. Clear? Maybe possible the same sound is different for the different listener. Clear? If we talk about frequency, frequency is a measurable quantity. What it is? It is a measurable quantity. Clear? It has a definite value. So, and it does not depend on the sensitivity of the listener. So frequency is objective, That means objective qualities are those which is measurable and does not depend on the sensitivity of the listener. Subjective nature of those which depends on the that sensitivity of a listener. Clear? That is pitch. Clear? Next topic is quality. See, quality of a sound is that characteristics which distinguish two sounds of the same loudness and same pitch but emitted by two different instruments because there is a change in their waveform. On the basis of their waveform we distinguish the quality of sound. Clear? Maybe possible the waveform, suppose I am drawing the waveform of two different sound. The one is this and the next one is this. Amplitude is same in both the cases. This is displacement, this is time. This amplitude is same, but here you will find out that they have their quality is different. These two waveform are of musical instrument, depends on the waveform. Now see, there are certain terminologies. Only a device which we have tuning fork which forms a monotone. On the other hand, if we talk about the different type of instrument, does not have a note or a single frequency. It contains combination of vibrations of different frequency and different amplitude. Now here the vibrations of lower, if we talk about the vibration of lower frequency and the maximum amplitude is called principal vibration. What it is called? Principal vibration. What is principal vibration? The vibration of the lowest frequency and maximum amplitude. Clear? That is principal vibration. And the vibration, if the vibration is integral multiple of it, then it is called subsidiary. What it is called? Subsidiary. This is called subsidiary vibration, which is the integral frequency of whose vibration or integral multiple of it. Clear? Now the resultant vibration is obtained. Generally what happens if a small or subsidiary are there, a combination, then by the superposition of these vibrations. Clear? How it will be obtained? By the superposition, and gives the waveform of the sound which we hear. Superposition of different types of. Now suppose this is the waveform of pure note. This is pure note, monotone. Clear? This is pure note. What is monotone? Monotone is the sound of single frequency, and note is the sound of multiple frequency. This is time. Clear? Now this type of note, this type of sketch is given by the your tuning fork. Now if we talk about the different suppose we will talk about the waveform of piano, then it will be combination of different type of source of sound. Clear? So you will find out that this is displacement, this is time. You will find out that there is a continuous change in the frequency and that quality of the sound. Clear? Thus you can say the quality of a musical instrument depends on the number of subsidiaries. Subsidiaries are what? Subsidiaries are the integral multiple of the frequency. Clear? Integral multiple of the frequency, subsidiary notes and their amplitudes. Clear? So these are the two waveforms which differs the quality of a sound. The next part is recognition of sound by two different qualities. So now see that in the daily life, when you will talk with the phone with two different person or a particular person without telling his or her name, you are able to know that the person who is there on the phone. Clear? This is just because of the quality of sound. You observe the quality of sound, on the basis of their quality, clear, you are able to know the person who is speaking. Clear? Because why? Because the vibrations produced by the vocal cord of the person have the characteristics of waveform which is different to different person, because every person has their different voice, so vocal cord is producing different type of vibration and you are able to recognize. If every person is producing the same vibrations, then you are not able to recognize the person who is there on the phone. Clear? Clear? Now the next and the last part of your chapter is that music and noise. Music is for noise. I have already told you the unpleasant sound is called noise, that is irregular disturbance over there. Noise is a pleasant and continuous uniform sound produced by a periodic vibration in a periodic. For example, violin, piano, it produce, and the sound level is between 10 dB to 30 dB. If we talk about noise, its sound level is above 120 and it can cause ear damage, clear, and cause headache to the person. Clear? A waveform of noise is same as like this, maybe possible. This is the particular note. If we talk about music, then this is music. If we talk about sound, then you will see sound can be traveled like this. A loud sound will be heard. This is the waveform of music. That noise, not music, sorry. It is the waveform of noise in which amplitude and there is a continuous change in the frequency which cause headache and disturbance to the ear. Now here your chapter is over. Do the book reading. Clear? All the best.